Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos.
Welcome back. In the previous task, we have seen how to manage customers. In this final task, we will look at analytics. So we'll have an overview and a first look at our reporting. Now that we have created everything in our store and we're launched or ready to launch, let's have a look at the analytics section. Clicking analytics, you'll be able to select a time frame, so that could be today compared to any other day, such as yesterday, or you can create a different date range. So here you can select the last week, for example, or going from the 20th to 22nd of December. So you can select a start and ending of your date range. You can compare the previous dates or not. It really depends if you want to analyze reporting, comparing different time periods. So having a today overview dashboard will have this comparison between today and the previous day. As you can see, you will have your total sales coming from your orders that you have completed manually. You see the graph that is updated on your orders comparing the 2 days as you have selected. You will have the online store conversion rate funnels data, so this will come from traffic, so you can see if there is people buying on your site and what is the percentage of people buying on your e-commerce store compared to people that have visited. So if I have 10 people coming on my website and five of them will exit the website with purchases, I will have a 50%, 5 over 10 conversion rate. Here is the funnel, which is the steps taken to complete a purchase. So you add the card, you reach the checkout, or you finally convert it, so you purchase. So here you can see the percentage and the number of people that have been moving through these different steps, so that you can review any bottleneck. Perhaps people are adding products to the carts, but then they take them out and they don't complete the purchase. You can start asking yourself some questions on why. You will have the product reports, so by units sold. Then you will have sessions by source, sales by social network, the referrals, so websites bringing traffic to your site, your average order value, your revenue data, and all of the traffic as well as sales data will be displayed here in this beautiful analytics section. Check out more projects on the Coursera Guided Projects catalog to learn more about online marketing and sales reporting, analytics tools, and specifically Shopify analytics for more advanced usage of the analytics section. Here you can get also reports, so that you can create a custom report with some information around specific things you want to keep under control, or you can get the live view, which will give you a picture of what the website looks like right now. If you have people on the site, what are the sessions completed, where did they come from, etc. So right now you may have a visitor from the United States, or there may be data coming from your word map with people that have been coming and visiting your site from that location earlier on, or orders that they have been placing. Again, beautiful reporting. Alright, congratulations, you have completed your entire store. So here on online store, top right hand corner, you can check the view your store to review your site online. You have created simply and quickly in just about an hour an entire e-commerce management system website. You have your own storefront and you're ready to sell online. Well done. I hope you have had as much fun as I have in being with me, and I encourage you to create more e-commerce websites and to review more guided projects on Coursera. So I hope to see you around in some of the other projects, and I wish you all the best. Well done.